Could America have lost World War II? How would that affect our world today? Let's imagine this alternate history where the United States didn't win World War II and instead loses to the Axis powers. As we all know, World War II was one of the deadliest conflicts in human history, and even though the United States had an incredibly strong military, there were times during the war where they got very close to losing. With a war as close as this, it's always fun to imagine what could have happened if things had gone differently. In 1941, Pearl Harbor was attacked by Japan, causing the United States to declare war on them. This event is considered to be one of the most important events in American history. It caused the country to unite and mobilize for war. But what if this day had gone differently? What if the Japanese had actually won at Pearl Harbor and taken control of the base? Well, firstly, it's hard to say whether or not the Japanese would have been able to win against the U.S. However, if they did win, it would have had some devastating consequences. Firstly, it would have meant that the U.S. wouldn't have joined the war as soon as they did. They would have been too afraid to join after seeing their fleet destroyed. Secondly, the Japanese would have been able to take over more land in the Pacific and possibly even invade the mainland of the U.S. Thirdly, it would have given the Japanese a huge propaganda victory, and they could have used this to persuade other countries to join their side. Overall, it's hard to say how the war would have panned out if the Japanese had won at Pearl Harbor, but it definitely would have changed things. Pearl Harbor wasn't the only close call the U.S. had during World War II. In 1943, Germany and Italy declared war on the United States following the attack on a German and Italian convoy by American forces in the Mediterranean Sea. However, despite these declarations of war, the U.S. and Germany didn't engage in any major combat operations until the following year when Allied forces invaded Normandy. What if the Germans had managed to defeat the Allies in this invasion? Well, first of all, it's hard to say how the war would have played out if the Germans had defeated the Allies. However, if they had done so, it would have been a major blow to the Allies and could have led to them losing the war. Secondly, it would have given the Germans control of France, and this would have allowed them to invade Britain. Finally, it would have shown that the Allies couldn't defeat the Germans, which could have led to other countries like Spain and Portugal never joining the fight. Another close call the U.S. had during World War II was the Battle of Midway. This battle took place in June of 1942 and was fought between the United States Navy and the Imperial Japanese Navy. The battle is considered to be a turning point in the war in the Pacific, as it resulted in the destruction of 4 Japanese aircraft carriers. However, what if the Japanese had won the Battle of Midway? Well, first of all, it would have been a major propaganda victory for Japan, and they could have used this to persuade other countries to join their side. Secondly, it would have given the Japanese control of the Pacific, and they could have used this to invade the United States. Finally, it would have shown that the U.S. couldn't defeat Japan, which could have led to them never joining the war. All in all, if Japan had won the Battle of Midway, it's possible that they could have won the war. Finally, let's talk about the Battle of the Bulge. This was a major German offensive that took place in December of 1944. The goal of the offensive was to capture the Belgian port of Antwerp. Although the Germans were able to cause massive casualties to the Americans and push them back, they were ultimately unsuccessful in their goal. However, what if the Germans had actually succeeded in their goal? Well, first of all, it would have been a major blow to the Allies and could have led to them losing the war. Secondly, it would have given the Germans control of Belgium, and this would have allowed them to invade Britain. Finally, it would have shown that the Allies couldn't defeat the Germans, which could have led to other countries like Spain and Portugal never joining the fight. All in all, if the Germans had won the Battle of the Bulge, it's possible that they could have won the war. Throughout World War II, the United States was involved in many close calls and battles. However, what if the U.S. had lost one of these battles? How would that have affected the outcome of the war? While it's impossible to say for sure, it's possible that the outcome of the war could have been very different. Even though the U.S. has some of the most powerful weapons in the world, it wasn't enough to win every single battle. Despite these challenges, the U.S. was ultimately successful in winning the war. However, this was only after suffering some major defeats along the way. However, the U.S. was eventually able to turn this defeat into a victory by using it to rally the country and mobilize for war. Similarly, the U.S. suffered heavy casualties during the Battle of Iwo Jima. However, this battle was ultimately a success for the U.S. because it brought them one step closer to winning the war. Overall, even though the U.S. suffered some major defeats during World War II, they were ultimately able to use these defeats to achieve victory. If the U.S. had lost the war, it would have had some devastating consequences. First of all, the country would have been completely devastated. The economy would have collapsed, and millions of people would have been dead or wounded. Secondly, the U.S. would have lost its status as a world power. After losing the war, the country would have been much weaker, and it's likely that they would not have been able to regain their status for many years, if ever. Finally, the U.S. would have been forced to give up all of its territories to the Axis powers. This would have completely changed the map of the world, and it's likely that the U.S. would not have become the dominant force that we know today. After 6 long years of fighting, the war finally came to an end with the United States emerging as one of the victors. The country had suffered greatly during the conflict, but ultimately it had been worth it. The U.S. had helped to defeat the Axis powers and bring peace to the world. As the country began to rebuild in the aftermath of the war, there was a sense of optimism for the future. The U.S. had proven itself to be a powerful force for good in the world, and there was hope that this would continue in the years to come. However, few people realized that the country had been changed forever by its experience in the war. The U.S. had entered the war as a relatively isolationist nation. However, the attacks on Pearl Harbor and the Holocaust had opened the eyes of many Americans to the dangers of fascism and the importance of international cooperation. As a result, the U.S. began to take on a more active role in world affairs in the years following the war. Furthermore, the war had also led to the development of many new technologies, such as the atomic bomb. These developments had the potential to either save or destroy the world. It was up to the U.S. and the other victors to decide how to move forward. Ultimately, the decision was made to use the atomic bomb on Japan, which led to the end of the war. However, this decision would go on to have far-reaching consequences for the world. Overall, the war had been a costly one for the United States, but it was ultimately a victory that had changed the country forever. The U.S. had emerged from the war as a global superpower and the leader of the free world. However, the country had also been scarred by the conflict, and it would take many years to heal. Nevertheless, the U.S. had proven itself to be a nation that could overcome any challenge. Well, guys, that's all for this video. What do you think would have happened if the United States had lost World War II? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.